Hello everyone. Today's session we are going to see Unit 7 Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter Solution to Book Back MCQs. A light source of wavelength 520 nanometer emits 1.04 into 10 power of 15 photons per second, while the second source of 460 nanometer produces 1.38 into 10 power of 15 photons per second. Then the ratio of the power of second source to that of the first source is asked. The solution is here the ratio of the power of the second source to that of the first source is asked. What is power? Power is energy by time taken. What is the energy? The photons of light of frequency mu will have the energy E is equal to h mu. If there are n number of photons, then we can write E is equal to nh mu. Therefore, power is equal to nh mu divided by time taken. In the question, wavelength is given. So, we rewrite this term as since C is equal to nu lambda, mu is equal to C by lambda. Therefore, P is equal to N H C by lambda, and this T it's here. So you can write P is equal to N by T into Hc divided by lambda. Therefore, P1 is equal to N1 by T into Hc by lambda 1, and P2 is equal to N2 by T into Hc by lambda 2. Therefore, P2 divided by P1 is equal to N2 by T into Hc by lambda 2 whole divided by P1 value. It is N1 by T into Hc by lambda 1, which is equal to N2 by T into Hc by lambda 2 into lambda 1 T divided by N1 Hc. Hc, T and T will be getting cancelled. Remaining we have P2 by P1 is equal to N2 lambda 1 divided by N1 lambda 2. We substitute the known values here. Therefore, we have P2 by P1 is equal to N1 value is 1.38 into 10 power of 15 into lambda 1 value is 520 into 10 power of minus 9. N1 is 1.04 into 10 power of 15 into lambda 2 is 4z0 into 10 power of minus 9. We cancel the powers here. Therefore, we have P2 by P1 is equal to 1.38 into 520 divided by 1.04 into 460, which will be equal to 717.6 divided by 478.4. If we cancel this, we may have here this to be 1.5. So the ratio between the power P2 and P1 is 1.5. The ratio of the power of second source to that of the first source is the option C, 1.5. The mean wavelength of light from sun is taken to be 550 nanometer and its mean power is 3.8 into 10 power of 26 watt. The number of photons received by the human eye per second on the average from the sunlight is of the order of to be found. The solution is here watt is given, that means power, and here wavelength is given there. So we know the relation between power and the wavelength. It is energy E is equal to h mu and power is equal to energy by time taken. We put here P is equal to h mu divided by time taken. If there are n number of photons, we write here n. So P is equal to, it is n by T into h mu. Since in the question it is given wavelength, we write here C is equal to mu lambda and mu is equal to C by lambda. Therefore, we write here power is equal to n by T into h C by lambda. In the question, it is asked number of photons received by the human eye per second is asked. So we write here number of photons per second is equal to P lambda divided by hc. So we shall write that to be n by T is equal to P lambda by hc. We now substitute the known values. The power is given to be 3.8 into 10 power of 26 watt into 550 into 10 power of minus 9 meter divided by h value 6.6 into 10 power of minus 34 into C, it is 3 into 10 power of 8. Therefore, n by T is equal to 3.8 into 550 divided by 6.6 into 3. The powers we calculate it to be 10 power of 43, which is equal to 2090 divided by 19.8 into 10 power of 43. This is n by T, which will be equal to, after calculating this, it is 105.5 into 10 power of 43 is number of photons per second. For our convenience, we multiply by 100 and divide it by 100. This will be equal to 1.05 into 10 power of 45. This is n by T. Therefore, we have the number of photons received by the human eye per second on the average from sunlight is of the order of 10 power of 45. Option A is the correct one. Thank you.